Hello guys, today we are trying out the sexy smooth wax and we are going to be waxing my legs. Okay, first things first, we are prepping the legs for the wax. As you can see, my leg hairs are very thin and long. Sometimes wax on the legs tends to break, so let's put this wax to the test. So look at this beautiful color. It is purple, my favorite color, so we're already off to a good start. The dry time on this wax is a very fast, and as y'all saw, it did not break. And look at that, rip, no breaking. We are applying with the growth of the hair and pulling against. And remember guys, on the legs, the wax dries way faster because legs are dry. And it absorbs some moisture, but as y'all can see, no wax is breaking and the hair is coming off seamlessly. I will be trying this wax out on different party parts, so stay tuned for that. But on the legs, it is doing its thing. I did not struggle with this wax at all. My legs are already looking way better than what we started with. Here's me looking like an exorcist on the treatment table. Look at that. The struggle of waxing yourself is real. Stay tuned for more videos of me using this wax. Here are the results. I just added some calming lotion and boom. It's like